Amazon FBA in 2019 is a game changer if you want to set up your totally automated business on the internet, because Amazon handles all of your deliveries and they pack and deliver the order to the customers for you. Hello friends, I'm Ahmad and today I'm going to tell you about Amazon FBA if you are a beginner, and I will give you a complete guide as I am already selling on Amazon. So let's start our video. Okay, friends. So Amazon is giving us a very super type of the service that if we want to set up our online business and we want to sell the products. So what Amazon is doing, that we have just have to ship the products from China to Amazon warehouse, and Amazon will pack and deliver those products for us, and they will also send the customers to our advertisement that we have placed on the Amazon, and it's a completely automated platform. Further, we can increase the sales doing different things, but if we are starting, Amazon is providing us the customers, they are even packing and they are even delivering our items to the customer. So this is Amazon FBA. It means that fulfillment by Amazon. All of these things are fulfilled by Amazon. We only need to choose our product, that what we want to sell. If you have your own business and you are already selling on a shop and you want to go online, you can set up your platform on Amazon and you can send some of your products to the Amazon warehouse, and they will start selling automatically. But if you are not all, in the business side, you can choose the products from Alibaba. There are thousands, even millions of products on Alibaba. You can choose any of the product. All you need to do is at the end of the day, when you place the order to the customer, to place the order to any company on Alibaba, at the end you need to give them the address of Amazon warehouse that Amazon will provide you, and they will also provide you the labels. You have to send them the labels, and what they have to do, when they are packing the products, they just have to put the labels on the top of the products, and they have to ship these products to the Amazon warehouse, and Amazon will automatically detect that these products are sent by you. And whenever someone is placing the order on Amazon on your product, you will be get paid, and Amazon will do all of the headaches of deliveries and all of this stuff. So I'm going to show you. Actually, I just have started selling on Amazon for about before 2 months, and my sales are increasing day by day. So I'm very happy, and I'm going to show you that I have ordered some of the products from China, like these I'm selling ring, a bag, genie lamp, some type of keyring, and gift. So I have ordered this product from China. This one I ordered 200 pieces and only 120 are left, and this one same I ordered 200 pieces and 169 are left, and these are automatically selling on Amazon. I'm gonna show you over here. Okay, so if someone is buying from my offer, so what happen is, they Amazon pack and deliver this item to the customer, and they are even providing prime service to them if we are using the Amazon FBA. I'm going to show you right now how you can use Amazon FBA. Okay, so actually at this time only 10 of my products are active, and what I'm doing is I'm shipping some more products to increase my sales, and day by day the ranking of my products are also going high. So actually I'm loving Amazon. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what we can do here is, okay, so first you need to create an account on sellercentral.amazon.com, or I'm gonna show you in another browser, sellercentral.amazon.com. Actually I'm selling in UK, so I'm using sellercentral.amazon.co.uk. So you can just register over here. Okay, so uh, you just need to select that you are going to start selling, and all you need to do is no, switch the account, add the account. Okay, create your Amazon account. So what you need to do, you just need to provide your name, email, password, and after doing that, they will ask you some more details. That if you are selling alone or you have a company, you just need to provide the details accordingly. And when you will get registered to Amazon Seller Central, and after that, you need to add a product in your, okay, so sorry, I'm going to tell you from the start. So first you need to log into your Amazon Seller Central account. You have to go to inventory, and you have to go to manage inventory, and Then what you need to do, you need to select add a product. Okay, and you are creating a new product listing, and you have to select this category. Okay, if I'm selling in clothing, okay, boys, okay, I'm gonna sell some hoodies. Okay, I've selected these hoodies, and after that you need to provide the product ID, and it is actually a barcode. You can buy the barcode from Google. You can write on Google that some UPC codes. Okay, I'm gonna show you over here. Okay, so we can use another browser. UPC codes. Okay, so what you need to do is you can buy some UPC codes from any of these websites, and like this website is giving per code. This website is giving 10 UPC codes for $19. Okay, so it will last for 10 products. So for each product you need to provide one UPC code. I already have the UPC code, so I will put my UPC code over here, and then you need to provide the name of the product, whatever title you want to uh, put, and then the brand name, then the color of the product, and then the size map, and then the size of project. If you are selling shirts, it will be large, medium, and it will be according to your product. And after that, okay, so let's suppose there we will put some images, and we will write our price, that on what price we are going to sell this product. Okay, so when you will add the product and you will finish this, and after that what you need to do is you need to go to manage inventory. Like I have added these new products over here, and you have to click over here, and you have to send or replenish inventory. And what will happen is they will provide you your Amazon. You have to select that you will be sending on Amazon FBA. They will provide you the address of the Amazon FBA, that where you have to send this inventory, and they will provide you the label that you have to. Okay, so in our case, we are selecting some hoodies. Okay, so you have to find the hoodies on Alibaba, and when you will be buying these pieces, like this company is giving 500 pieces minimum. And what you have to say them that Amazon will give you the labels, and you have to send them the labels to them, and you have to tell them then when you are packing the products, just put the label on the product, and that's it. And when they will send to your Amazon warehouse, on this section here, like it's written 189, your products will be added automatically. And as you have put the pictures, and you have written the title accordingly, so what will happen is your products will start selling, and Amazon will pack and deliver and do all of the headaches for you. Okay, so if you want to learn about how you can choose the products, actually you will be having many questions, that how I can choose the product, and how I can put the name of the title over here, or all of these things, how I can set up my Amazon account, how I can create the account, and how I can choose the pictures, how I have to contact the seller, which seller is good, which seller is not good. If you want to get the free training, I have the link below this video, and you can go there and you can just see for the free training on the complete guide, that which type of products are more likely to sell, and which type of seller you have to search for on Alibaba, and how you can put the images for the products. So the free training link is below this video. And by the way, thanks for watching my video, and have a very lovely day. See you soon in my next video. Thank you.